Hi, it's Annette at needlepointers.com. Plastic canvas bookmarks like this are fun and easy to make, whether you're creating them for yourself as a gift or to sell at craft fairs. Once the stitching is complete, however, you may notice that the back of the bookmark looks messy and unfinished. Adding a felt backing is a great way to give it a nice finished appearance. Let me show you how to do it. Start by gathering your materials and supplies. You will need your completed plastic canvas bookmark, felt, fabric scissors, fabric glue, craft stick, and ruler to get accurate dimensions. Use a ruler to measure the back of the finished plastic canvas bookmark. With your scissor, cut a piece of felt to match that measurement. Next, apply a thin layer of fabric glue to the back of the bookmark, making sure that you put some completely around it, and then spread the glue out, trying to get into the corners with a craft stick. Carefully press the cut out felt piece to the back, pressing it down firmly, trying to make sure that there are no wrinkles. For best results, I like to put a couple of heavy books on the top of the bookmark as the glue dries to help prevent the wrinkling and lifting. Once the glue is dried completely, check the edges to ensure the felt is securely attached. After checking my bookmark, I noticed that some areas of the felt didn't adhere properly to the back. I suspected this happened because I spread the glue using a craft stick, which may have caused it to become too thin. To improve the adhesion, I decided to try a different method that worked much better, and this is the method I recommend. Instead of spreading the glue, I applied a bead of glue around the edge of the bookmark, around the complete edge. And then I also put a line diagonally from one corner to the other. I didn't spread the glue at all. Then I carefully pressed the felt onto the glued surface. This method provided a stronger bond and the felt stayed in place. Once again, with this method, I placed a couple of heavy books on top as the glue dried. Once it was dry, I checked the edges to see if they were securely attached. If you find some spots where it has lifted, just add a little dab of glue and press it firmly. After the bookmark is completely dried and the felt backing is secure, it is ready to use or gift. Was this tutorial helpful? If you liked it, make sure to pin and save it to your favorite Pinterest board. Also, share it on Facebook and X. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of free plastic canvas projects and tutorials. While you are there, sign up for our weekly newsletter so you don't miss future craft projects.